Backpacker Panda. The common area is the place where travelers from various nationalities, languages, and interests converge to share travel stories, get together, read, play, or just relax. In order to facilitate the same, make sure you practice the following steps. The common area must include a litter bin with trash bags, an air conditioner or a fan, few ashtrays, multiple charging points, a bookshelf, a music system, a projector and a screen or a TV, an activity board, a few board games, a guest PC, and a fire extinguisher. Pick up all the used cups and plates and deposit them in the kitchen sink. Throw away any empty bottles in the dry trash bin and clean all the ashtrays. Move the furniture away from the corners of the room. Start by sweeping at the corners and then move towards the center after moving the furniture again. Wipe all the surfaces with a dry cloth. You may also use a wet cloth to wipe glass surfaces. Use a cleaning liquid to remove most stubborn stains whenever required. Clean the guest PC thoroughly. Mop the floor and dry it thoroughly. Rearrange all the furniture and appliances as per the previous arrangement. Thank you for watching the video.